imagine I'm telling Mark to take me a video, alafu ananiambia pale kwenye tumbo finya. And I'm like, guys, I've been... Can you go and let mommy celebrate her own birthday? It's gonna be amazing. I'm going to the beach. What do you tell mommy? Yeah? You want to go with me? Yeah. No, this one is called My Tan. It's fit? Yeah. Good stuff. I agree. So, see you guys. I'm gonna see you on like next week, and I don't think next week will fit a haraka. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy. Okay. Yeah. I'll be calling you guys every day. No, not every day, please. Akim, when you can't be calling us every day. It's me time. Okay. You wait for your turn. It's my turn. This season is called My Turn. I'm a Scorpio babe. Happy birthday to you.
Make sure you celebrate as much as you can.
I have no option. That's the only option I have. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy belated. Your birthday already passed. It's my turn. Baby, let's enjoy.
Mimi alininyima kolabo. Na ndio unaona mimi kwa ngoma zako zote nataka una make sure na deal na yeye. Kuna matching sasa, ndio mambo sasa ya mapenzi sasa.
Unaipiga bro.
Nakupelekea mama, wakujue kwetu ndio baby. Chei wangu mama, chei wangu baby. Nakupelekea mama, wakujue kwetu ndio baby. Views for days. Oh my goodness. Let's go get Bahari. Bila sukari wala mfi, lakini sasa nimepata jina na pesa. Utakunywa nini ninunue? Baby, let's enjoy. Nakumbuka nilikuwa nimesema, guys, I feel so bad. I don't know whether to say I feel disappointed. Can you imagine I'm telling Mark to take me a video, alafu ananiambia pale kwenye tumbo finya. And I'm like, guys, I've been working out the entire year so that on my birthday tomorrow I can look what hot body can do. Hey, look what hot body can do. But where, guys? The gym is not for the faint-hearted. Aki, oh my God, yani I've worked, nilikuwa najua photo shoot ya November 5th mutati. Mimi ndo nimetii. But anyway, guys, I'm not folding, okay? I'm still eating well. Kwenye maembe yenye pilipili, salad pale, cucumber hapa, chicken kwenye sweet and sour sauce, alafu mama Sierra. Urban vacations. A birthday girl is enjoying. Thank you.